Hi, I just wanted to do a quick review on the Harbor Freight 1.5 ton jack. It's advertised as aluminum, which it is partly aluminum. Couple things. The handle's not aluminum. Lower handle's not aluminum. This piece is. These big blue sides are. The main part of the jack's not aluminum. Neither are the sides. Maybe that's a good thing. So anyway, it's been a pretty good jack. It is pretty light, but it's not really all aluminum. It's got some aluminum components. The other thing that prompted me to do this video is, while this thing has been good and I would probably buy another one, I'm gonna be a little more careful with it. It actually failed today, which is another good reason for using jack stands. Don't ever get under your car with only the jack. So here's what failed. I'm going to flip it over on the side here. So you can see that these pieces are no longer connected to the ram. So this piece, which hopefully I'll get into view, goes in here. And it kind of bent, so I'm gonna try to fix it, but this goes in there, and then this goes in here. Sorry for my one-handed operations. So I think what happened, there were some little retaining rings, and one of them broke, and I heard something pop. I wasn't sure what it was, and I started to jack the car up a little more to raise it off a jack stand, and I heard another pop and the whole jack failed. So I think there were probably some little clips like this in these grooves. So there's some little grooves there you can see. So I'm going to try to piece this thing back together. I don't trust those little clips, obviously. So I tried to find a washer that's roughly the right size. I'm going to tack these on with a welder. You can see they don't fit real tight, but I can bridge that. I'm going to put my own safety washers on here, just so it won't fail in the future. So anyway, conclusion is, one, always use your jack stands. Don't trust this thing. It is from Harbor Freight, even though it's pretty useful, and it's not all aluminum. That was about it. Thanks.